Today's question is 8 divided by 2 in parentheses 5 minus 1. 8 divided by 2, 4, parentheses 5 minus 1. If we remove the parentheses, we'll use multiplication. So 4 times 4, that's 16. But this is wrong. The question is 8 divided by 2, parentheses 5 minus 1, according to the BODMS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets, then division and multiplication. Multiplication and division have the same priority. We'll check this from left to right, and after that, addition and subtraction. So first, we'll solve the brackets. Subtracting 1 from 5 leaves us with 4, so we'll go ahead and write down 8 divided by 2, bracket 4. Next, we can remove those parentheses and put a multiplication sign there instead. So it simply becomes 8 divided by 2 times 4. Now, we'll check the order of operations from left to right. First priority is division, second priority is multiplication. So 8 divided by 2 into 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4, right? 4 times 4, the right answer is 16.